Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a little bit of a task. Now, my friend Connor bought these shoes 4 years ago, and as you can see, they're a little bit eccentric. So he's actually only worn them like 3 times in the past 4 years. Now, he said to me, is there anything that I can do with them? Is there any way I can even paint on this material? It's got a rough texture because of all the glitter. So he said, is there anything I can do with them? And I said, at the very least I can try. So what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to try and sand it down, and then I don't think I'll need to acetone this because this isn't a leather material. I might need to use some Too Soft, which helps it adhere to fabric and other materials, but I'm going to see what I can do.
Hi guys, just in case you don't know who I am, my name's Connor. I originally bought the shoes and I also edit some of the videos on this channel. The shoes are completely different to how they were initially. I can't believe how different they've turned out. My request was to do the Views album by Drake. As you can see on this one and throughout the video, it's got the album artwork on the side of it. There's a lot of other nice touches that I've showed as well, like the Toronto skyline, and even the colourway of the shoes. You can notice it's a sort of summer to winter type effect, which is what the album's theme was supposed to be. So I think he's done a fantastic job with these shoes. Couldn't be happier with them. And if you want to see more content like this, hit like, hit subscribe, and let us know what your favourite side was in the comments. Thanks a lot. See you next time.